The cabin air filter, also known as the AC filter in the 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500, is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Ensure the vehicle is off and keys removed. Open the glove box fully. Locate and depress the glove box stops, usually plastic clips or hinges, to allow the glove box to lower further. You'll find the filter housing cover exposed on the right side. Pull it outward or upward to remove it. Slide the old filter out, noting the airflow direction arrows, which point toward the rear of the vehicle. Wearing gloves is recommended to avoid skin contact with contaminants. Insert the new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow direction arrows match the orientation of the old filter, pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. Use an OEM or compatible filter like Mopar part number 5080959AA to prevent fitment issues. Reassemble the filter housing cover, securing it until it snaps or slides into place. Reattach the glove box by pushing it back into position and securing the stops or hinges. Test the AC for proper airflow to ensure correct installation. Mechanics recommend changing the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or annually to maintain optimal HVAC performance.